Hi YouTube. On December, I think it was 23rd, I had seen a video by Kasheera. Yeah, Kasheera on Cash TV, and she was talking about some things, and then she mentioned her stretchy scarves. So I'm like, oh, let me look at that. So there was a link below. I clicked on it. I love the scarves. Plus, it was an additional 20% off, and they were on sale. So I ordered it, and wow, it got here quicker than I thought. So I'm just going to show this to you. Oh wow! I ordered 3 sets. So, and look at the card. That's sweet. Oh, alrighty then. Um, of course, it's called Wild Bliss. Can you see that? I like that. Alrighty, here they go. I'm going to pause it because I don't know how much time I have. Here we go. Alright, so again, if you can see it, Wild Bliss. Oops, sorry. It's not good. Here we go. Oh, this is really nice. This blue. My phone is making it look purplish, but it's really... So like I said, it came in a set. This is blue and this green is beautiful. So, awesome. Oh, that's beautiful. They're 2 separates. Wow, this one is really pretty. I wish my phone gave a better picture. This is a maroon one. Something. Okay. And then a tan scarf. Feels really nice too. Oh, or camel. Here's the third one. Yes, that's beautiful. This one's the yellow and teal. My phone makes it green for some reason, but it's actually a teal. Actually, it's a teal. The picture looks better on her website. That's wrong. So, awesome. So, this is mine. I'm going to give this one to my mom. That color. And the blue and green. That's awesome. Okay, and the card is really sweet, but I'm not going to read it to you guys, but she just makes a personalized card. It says, "Thank you, beautiful." Oh, that's sweet. She don't even know what I look like because I don't think I'm beautiful. But anyway, not fish for compliments. So I just want to let you guys know that if you order from her, she's very prompt, and the materials are really pretty. My phone doesn't do it justice, but it's really pretty and nice quality, and it does feel stretchy. So I can't wait to try them on. And she did as I asked. I asked her if she could show demonstration or tutorial on how to wear them so I could have some type of idea, and she did that right away too. Kasheera is awesome, so thank you, Kasheera. And if she has any more available, get them. So thanks, YouTube. You don't need to subscribe or If you want to like it, okay, but no need to subscribe because I'm just doing this. All right, thanks. Have a blessed day. Ciao. Thanks again, Kasheera.